Hello students, I extend my warm welcome to you all. So students, our chapter 3, that is advanced features of word processor 1, is now over. And we have had so many live sessions. In those live sessions, I have taught you in particular about the various features of Microsoft Word. Okay, so today we are going to start chapter 4, that is advanced features of word processor 2. In the previous lesson, you have learned some formatting features as well as page setting options. In this lesson, you will learn about drawing tools besides focusing on some editing and formatting tools. So students, here we are going to start a first topic, that is finding the text on page number 42. So stay focused and please watch the following video for better understanding. Thank you.
Today we will learn about advanced features of word processor. In the previous lesson you have learned some formatting features as well as page settings options. In this lesson you will learn about drawing tools besides focusing on some editing and formatting tools. Let us begin by learning the method to find the text in MS Word. When you are working with larger documents, Word provides a facility to search your document using the Find feature and change words or phrases using the Replace option. To find a particular word or phrase in the current document, follow these steps. Click on the Find drop-down button in the Editing group on the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears. The navigation pane appears on the left side of the document window. Type the text that you want to find in the Search document box at the top of the navigation pane. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview will be displayed in the navigation pane. Or select the Advanced Find option from the drop-down menu of the Search document text box. The Find and Replace dialog box appears as shown in the figure. Click on the Find Next button. The search word will get highlighted in the document. Subsequent clicking on the Find Next button will highlight the other occurrences, if any, of the search text. After finishing the search, Word displays a message. Word has finished searching the document. Click OK. Click on the More button if you want to widen your search criteria. Let me give you some tips. If you click on the Match Case checkbox, it will search the text with a similar case that you have typed in the Find What text box. If you select the Find Whole Words Only checkbox, it will match the complete word. Otherwise, it will also search those words where it finds the first matching letters. For example, if you have typed the in the Find What text box and not clicked on the Find Whole Words Only option, it will also search the word they, then, their, etc. because the first three letters of these words start with the. Students, let us take a quick view. Use the following shortcut keys to carry out different operations. Ctrl plus F to open navigation pane to find the text. Ctrl plus H to open Find and Replace dialog box. Escape key to cancel a search.